Hello everyone and welcome back to Multi-Channel. Headlight Restoration Kit Testing and Review from AliExpress. You see left side is faded and old and headlight lens is bad. I bought this headlight restoration kit from AliExpress and it's my first time using this kit. More details in the description. Let's see what's inside the kit and how to use, and most important, what's the result. Inside the kit, 4 sanding papers, but don't say in the back what are grades.
هذا 400 وهذا 200 وهذا 2000 وهذا.
I think they are 400 and 2000. Check the description. Soft whipping cloth. Solution for final step. So let's start restore this headlight and see if this kit works or not. First you need water or spray water bottle. Start using the lowest grade 400 sandpaper. Keep sanding until you get rid all scratches. Spray water when becomes dry.
I can already see the difference. Yeah, this is all, that's all the dirt. All the
What are debris?
not the layers of dirt that's on the headlight. Actually, I one time in my school, I did to a couple friends of mine with their cars over in this area. But it's okay, mine's are steady. I did all 3 cars and they loved it. The headlights were like that.
This one is really good. That's not debris.
تعرف هنا اوكي نضيف شويه
كده دي.
that looks good.
Second, wash lens and use 2000 sandpaper.
2000 right? هذا نفس الشيء ولا
Same thing, keep sanding until you feel the lens becomes very soft.
it's okay. طب ترسى عليه شو بيها ما بدي يشتغل زين بس بسرعة 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 يلا ليش لا شوي 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 لا لا تفضل تفضل شوي
It's not being the bottle. Flip it like the other way. Hey, flip it the other way. Flip it the other way.
This?
Yeah, so they cannot see the. Or else they're gonna think it's spread though.
Wait, wait. شوي شوي
All the shine disappeared.
Wow, so smooth.
Oh, you can see the coats now.
Okay, hey, so
Here, my hands are shaking. Show your headlights. There you go.
it's a no clean next.
Third step, rinse the lens and after dry with clean fiber clothes.
في مرة صح؟ Just
Rug, add little of that solution and wipe it firmly until you see that the lens starts shining clear.
ما يشتغل عليه زين.
Ja, والله تشتغل.
As you see, it's much better than before, but it's not excellent results. So here's my final thoughts about this kit. It's not very good finish after all, so I am not sure if I need to spend more time sanding or that's what the kit can do.
Leave it there.
Please tell us what do you think, or if I did something not right or I missed something. Check out other related videos. If you find this video is helpful, please subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching and all the best. We hope to see you next video. Best regards.
It's much better than last time.
Yeah, we'll go.